children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for second standard students. Yes, children, as you people know that we have already completed one poem and then one lesson. So we are back to the grammar part today again. Today we are going to start the new topic in the grammar, that is making sentences. Yes. Yesterday we solved the topic was and where. When do we use was and where? Yes. So today we will start the new topic, that is making sentences. Children, don't open your textbook. Just listen to my explanation first. Then afterwards I will tell you to open the test. Yes. The topic is 19th topic, making sentences. 19. Making sentences. So here children, now making sentences means what? Yes. Whatever we write the sentence it first begins with the capital letter. Yes or no? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪದದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ and to express what we have in mind. Whatever you write the sentence, now you want to tell I want to play. So when you say I want to play, you have some ideas in your mind. What type of ideas you have, what game you want to play, with whom you want to play, where you want to play, these all things start coming into your mind. So, when the teacher tells you to write some 5 sentences on which game you like, then how do you write? You write, I love to play cricket. I love to play cricket. One sentence. Cricket is my favorite game. Is my favorite game. I play cricket. I play the game with my friends. Now I wrote here 3 sentences. So what was coming into my mind, I wrote here. Which is my favorite game? Cricket is my favorite game. I love to play cricket. Cricket is my favorite game. Why you love to play cricket? Because cricket is your favorite game. I play the game with my friends. With whom you play cricket? I play the game with my friends. So when I want to write the sentence, I should write the sentence in the particular order. ಒಂದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, ವೆನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ particular order which makes the complete sense to the sentence. If I write here play cricket, love game, this is correct sentence? This sentence is correct? No, this is wrong sentence. Play cricket, love game, this is wrong. I play cricket because I love that game. Correct sentence is what? I play cricket because I love the game, or that game. So this is the correct sentence. Yes or no? Whenever we want to write the sentence, we have to write the sentence in the particular order. ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವ ಪದ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. We have to understand what word we have to use after what word to form a sentence. Yes. So now this is one. Here a group of words which make sense is called a sentence. I said it. Whatever you write, it should make a complete sense. Where is should come, where are should come, where I should come, where place should come. So we look at the words and then we write the sentence correctly in the meaningful way. Yes or no? So note, every sentence begins with the capital letter and ends with the full stop. Whatever sentence we write, that sentence, it begins with the capital letter and then it ends with the full stop. So here children, we are going to study some sentence today. Children, now see here, Nikki, Ricky and Sam. These are friends. So what these people are going to do now? Here children, these are friends. So what they are going to do? They are going to play. With what? With the ball. So Nikki, Ricky and Sam are playing football. What they are doing? Football. They are playing football. So this is a complete sentence. This has a sense for the sentence. So, to am going school I. This is not in the proper way. To make it meaningful sentence, we have to arrange the words in the particular order. That is, I am going to school. The correct sentence is what, here children? I am going to school. In this way, we can make the sentence meaningful. So there I showed you some of the slides of two sentences what Nikki, Ricky and Sam were doing with the football. What they were doing children? Nikki, Ricky and Sam, they were playing football. Then one more sentence, the boy was holding a bag. Which bag? A school bag with the uniform worn. So where he was going? He was going to school. So he was telling to himself that I am going to school. So like this way, when we arrange the words in the particular order, the sentence has a meaningful way. Okay. So today we are going to solve the exercise with the sentences. Children, remember the sentence when we start writing, the first letter always begins with the capital letter. After completing these sentences, I will show you one video about how to speak in the correct way, how to construct the sentence in the correct way by showing a small story in the video. Yes children, first one, the first main is what? Make sentences from the following groups. Make sentence, but the words are not arranged in the particular order. We have to arrange them in the particular order and make the meaningful sentence. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, but ಆ ಪದಗಳು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. So we have to arrange them in the particular order and then make a meaningful sentence. So first one, Sundays we all play. Sunday, name of the day, capital. Yes, Sundays we all play. So the correct way of writing the sentence is what? We. What is here? We, W capital, play on what? Sundays. Yes, capital. Sundays, full stop after the sentence, and the first letter of the sentence should be what? Capital. Yes. Next, second one. Silence keep the class in. Silence keep the class in. So the correct answer for this is what now? Silence keep the class in. So the teacher is telling the students to keep the class in silence. So we'll write keep silence, K capital, keep silence in the class. Where the teacher asks the students to keep silence? In the class. Keep silence in the class. Then next, I do must homework mine. I do must homework mine. So the answer is here. What is the answer here now? I. First will come what? I. The next, must do my homework. Homework. I must do my homework. The next, 8 eat at V-O-clock. 8 eat at V-O-clock. Then what will be the answer here? V. What time you eat food? Dinner. Night. 8 o'clock. We eat at 8 o'clock. Next one. The third one is, fifth one here, that is enjoy our week holiday. Enjoy our week holidays. Enjoy it is given. Yes. Then the answer is here. Who is enjoying the holidays? We. So first what we have to write? We. W capital, children. We enjoyed our holidays. We enjoyed our holidays. Sixth one. Ice cream like I eat too. Ice cream like I eat too. Remember children, I, wherever you write, it should be capital. They have given you small. We have to write it in the capital. So first, I. like to, I like ice cream, I like to eat ice cream, I like to eat ice cream, I like to eat ice cream. Seventh one. Sister mine is Usha. What they have given? Sister mine is Usha. Name of the person, U capital. Now children, here the person is talking about what? About what the person is talking? See there. Sister mine is Usha. I am telling somebody. Who is she? Usha is my sister. Usha is my sister. Next is 8th one. That is dog barking is the. Dog barking is the. Then the correct answer is what here? Who is barking? The dog. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. Next. 9th one. Dolly miss has Molly A. Dolly miss has Molly A. So what will be the answer? This is little bit confusing, children. Miss Molly has a dolly. Yes. Miss Molly. Miss Molly has a dolly. Miss Molly has a dolly. Here you can see, children. Make sentences from the following groups of words shown. Yes. Sundays we all play. This is not correct sentence. Yes or no? So correct sentence is we play on Sundays. Name of the day, S is capital. You can see here. First letter, beginning letter, W is capital. At the end, I have given the full stop. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್. Silence keep the class is. Keep silence in the class. Full stop you can see here. K is capital here. Next. I do must homework mine. I is capital. I must do my homework. You can see the full point. Next. Eat at o'clock. We eat at 8 o'clock. So here full point. We eat at 8 o'clock. Next. Here children. Enjoyed our week holidays. Enjoyed our week holidays. We, W capital. We enjoyed our holidays. We enjoyed our holidays. Ice cream like I eat too. I like to eat ice cream. Full point is here. You can see here. I like to eat ice cream. Sister mine is Usha. Usha is my sister. Usha is my sister. Dog barking is the. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. Dolly Miss has Molly a. Miss Molly has a dolly. Miss Molly has a dolly. Next. Now line is completed. This you have to write in your notebooks. Yes. At twinkle night stars the. 10th one. At twinkle night stars the. So the correct answer is, what are twinkling at night? Stars. The stars. The stars. The stars twinkle. Twinkle at night. The stars twinkle at night. 11th one. Useful very water is. Useful very water is. What is very useful, children? Water. So what will come first? Water. W. Water is very useful. Water is very useful. Next, 12th one. Everywhere here air is. Everywhere air is. So the answer is, what is there everywhere? What we can find everywhere? Air. So A capital. Air is everywhere. Full point after the sentence. So here children you can see, the stars twinkle at night. Water is very useful. Air is everywhere. So these are the sentences, how we form them in the correct manner. Yes children. So now we are going to see a small video when you talk, what mistakes you do and how to correct the sentence while talking also. Yes children. So let us have a glance over a small story in the video.
Christmas has made everyone happy and cheerful. Elvis, look, Santa. What's Santa? Visiting our town. But who is visiting our town? Are you doing this purposefully? No, I just wanted you to know that you should always use a complete sentence so that its meaning is understood. The correct sentence here would be, look, Santa is visiting our town. Oh, is it? Please tell me more about it. Sure, Omar. Every sentence is like a picture. You understand something from it. Just look around. If there were no Christmas trees, would the picture of Christmas be completed? No. Similarly, if we remove some part of a sentence, we will not be able to understand its meaning. Let's let's learn to make a sensible sentence. Every sentence is made up of two parts, a naming part and a telling part. A naming part tells us who or what the sentence is about.
And the telling part tells us something about the person, animal or thing in the naming part.
For example, Santa is visiting our town. Santa is a naming part since it tells us about who is doing something. So this becomes the naming part of the sentence. In this sentence, is visiting our town tells us about what Santa is doing. So this becomes the telling part of the sentence. Christmas trees are dazzling. In this sentence, Christmas trees is a naming part and are dazzling is a telling part. Children are playing. In this sentence, we are telling about children. So, children is the naming part of the sentence and are playing is the telling part. A sentence is like a picture. It cannot have a missing part. It must give a complete idea. For example,
Shining in the moonlight. It does not tell us about who or what is shining in the moonlight.
that is, we do not get a complete idea or a picture. Now listen to the sentence. A snowman is
Shining in the moonlight.
Now we get a complete picture of a snowman.
Shining in the moonlight.
Remember, a sentence begins with a capital letter and usually ends with a full stop. Let's see another example of it. It's snowing today. Here, I of the first word it's is in uppercase and the sentence ends with a full stop. Now listen to this sentence. Spread has Christmas all over happiness. Do you understand the meaning of this sentence? No, we don't, since the words in this sentence are not arranged properly. Let's place the words in correct order. Christmas has spread happiness all over. Now the sentence makes sense. So, to make sense, all the words of a sentence must be placed in a correct order. Wow! Now I clearly understood about the sensible sentences. Let's repeat it.
Yes, every sentence has two parts. That is, the naming part and the telling part. The naming part tells who or what the sentence is about. And the telling part tells us something about the person, animal or thing in the naming part. A sentence begins with a capital letter and usually ends with a full stop. The words in a sentence should be placed in a proper order.
Very good. This Christmas has blessed you with sensible sentences.
Oh yes.
Here, you people have watched a small story how to construct the sentence even when we are talking to the another person. With the help of this video, you can understand how the sentences are in the meaningful way. So children, write the notes whatever are given in your on the board. In the video, you have to write those same notes in your notebooks also and revise them once or twice. I will be in front of you with the next video. Thank you children. Have a great day.